Nestled in the serene embrace of a lush forest, this premium modern minimalistic house embodies the essence of Scandinavian design. With its clean lines, functional spaces, and a harmonious blend of white walls, wooden accents, and brick elements, the home offers a tranquil retreat that seamlessly integrates with its natural surroundings. Let's explore the key areas of this stunning residence, each reflecting the principles of simplicity and elegance that define Scandinavian architecture. Welcome back to FreshCo Graphics. Whether you're a returning viewer or joining us for the first time, we're thrilled to have you. Subscribe now for captivating insights into home and interior design. Harmony in design, a Scandinavian-style house nestled in nature. As you approach the house, the first impression is one of understated elegance. The facade features a combination of smooth white walls and rustic brick elements, creating a striking contrast that draws the eye. Large windows allow natural light to flood the entryway, while also providing glimpses of the surrounding forest. The minimalist landscaping, with carefully chosen native plants, enhances the home's connection to nature, inviting residents and guests to experience the beauty of the outdoors. The entrance is designed to be both welcoming and functional. A simple wooden door, framed by sleek lines, opens into a spacious foyer that sets the tone for the rest of the home. The use of natural materials continues here, with wooden accents that add warmth and texture. This thoughtful design creates a seamless transition from the exterior to the interior, embodying the Scandinavian philosophy of blending indoor and outdoor living. Stepping into the living room, one is immediately struck by the airy atmosphere and minimalist aesthetic. The room features an open layout, with large windows that provide panoramic views of the forest, allowing the beauty of nature to become an integral part of the living space. The white walls create a bright and inviting environment, while the wooden flooring adds warmth and a sense of coziness. Furnishings in the living room are carefully selected to maintain the minimalist theme. A plush, neutral-toned sofa is complemented by a few accent chairs, all arranged to encourage conversation and relaxation. Decorative elements are kept to a minimum, with a focus on functional pieces that enhance the space without overwhelming it. A simple coffee table made of reclaimed wood serves as a centerpiece, embodying the Scandinavian commitment to sustainability and natural materials. The bedroom is a sanctuary of peace and tranquility, designed to promote rest and relaxation. The use of soft, muted colors on the walls creates a calming atmosphere, while large windows frame views of the forest, allowing natural light to filter in gently. The minimalist design is evident in the absence of clutter, with only essential furniture pieces that contribute to a serene environment. A cozy bed, adorned with natural textiles, serves as the focal point of the room. Wooden bedside tables provide functional storage while adding warmth to the space. The overall design encourages a sense of calm, making it the perfect retreat after a long day. Thoughtful touches, such as a reading nook by the window, invite moments of quiet reflection, further enhancing the bedroom's role as a personal haven. The dining room is a celebration of simplicity and functionality, designed to foster connection and togetherness. A large wooden dining table takes center stage, surrounded by minimalist chairs that echo the home's Scandinavian aesthetic. The white walls create a bright backdrop, while a statement light fixture adds a touch of modern elegance, illuminating the space during evening gatherings. Natural elements are incorporated into the dining room through the use of wooden accents and a carefully curated centerpiece of seasonal flowers. The open layout allows for easy flow between the dining area and the kitchen, making it ideal for entertaining guests. This space embodies the Scandinavian principle of creating environments that encourage social interaction, where meals can be shared and memories made. The bathroom is a serene oasis, designed to evoke a sense of calm and relaxation. Featuring a minimalist aesthetic, the space is adorned with white tiles and natural stone elements, creating a spa-like atmosphere. A large soaking tub, positioned near a window, invites moments of indulgence, while a walk-in shower offers a refreshing escape. Thoughtful design elements, such as wooden shelving and simple fixtures, enhance the bathroom's functionality, without compromising its elegance. The use of natural light is maximized through strategically placed windows, allowing for a bright and airy feel. This harmonious blend of materials and design principles creates a bathroom that is not only practical, but also a true retreat for self-care and relaxation. The kitchen is a masterpiece of modern design, combining functionality with aesthetic appeal. Featuring sleek white cabinetry and high-end appliances, the space is both practical and visually striking. The minimalist approach is evident in the clean lines and uncluttered surfaces, allowing for easy meal preparation and organization. A central island serves as both a workspace and a casual dining area, encouraging family and friends to gather. The use of natural materials, such as wooden countertops and brick accents, adds warmth and character to the kitchen. Large windows provide ample natural light, making the space feel open and inviting, while also offering views of the surrounding forest, reinforcing the connection to nature.